we're starting to see, sustainability statements on RFPs and things like that. And you hear companies about, minimizing carbon footprint and going to, making commitments around that. But where does a manufacturing company really start with that? Is it, to me, it sounds like, oh, well, you mentioned the materials earlier, and that really makes a lot of sense. You got weight, you got, how long is it going to last? But it just seems like a big undertaking for a manufacturing company.
Exactly. And I think the first thing is start measuring what you do. And for that also, the reporting on carbon emissions during your manufacturing process, this you can do through your energy bills. You know what you're doing. And if you have, I would say, an overusage, or if you can improve some areas by different energy sources, that's already a first step. Have a clue how your end-to-end process, I would say, is data-driven working. And there comes the love for me from PLM. Finally, we need also data-driven PLM to understand what is happening and where are your sweet spots, because you don't have to change immediately the way you design your products, but at least you know which are the areas where I can have the first, most important impact. And then the next step comes, indeed, look at your portfolio. Where can we improve? Where can we change?